Hyperscooter this, Hyperscooter that. But one of the newest Hyperscooters has a big problem that nobody else is talking about. This summer, the InMotion RS turned some heads as it jumped to the forefront of this new class of electric scooters. In fact, it turned our heads too, until it had us shaking our heads upon further inspection. Overall, the InMotion RS is quite the piece of machinery. It's one of the fastest scooters ever built, has some really intelligent features like a built-in steering damper and smart BMS for safe charging, and has a unique 4-in-1 design giving you an adjustable ride height to suit any terrain or any riding style. So what's wrong with it? Well, it's ugly. It looks like somebody accidentally spilled mustard all over it. That's why here at VoroMotors, we decided to give the InMotion RS a makeover. Listen, we sat the RS down, gave it a long look in the mirror, and said you would look much better in all black, like the Batmobile. That's right, we're dropping an exclusive line of the InMotion RS Midnight. Isn't that just a sight for sore eyes? Plus, a little FYI, the regular yellow RS that you see out on the streets right now isn't UL 2272 certified. The RS Midnight is. Okay. Which basically means that we uphold the gold standard of electrical and fire safety requirements. If you like to look good and be safe at the same time, reserve your RS Midnight only at VoroMotors.com.